friends, welcome to our channel 10 minutes code, and today we are going to solve the first problem of a Leetcode, which is the 2 sum, and this is the very easy problem. So let's start the video. We are going to solve every problem in the Leetcode with the help of brute force method, so that beginners can also understand and it will be easy. So first, when you are coming to Leetcode, so first you should solve most of the problems with the help of brute force. After becoming an expert in Leetcode, you can solve with other methods by saving the time of saving time complexity, and that's all. So let's start the video with the most easiest way to solve this problem. So first, what's the question is given an array of integers. Now there will be an array. We know what is an array, so there will be an array with many integer values and an integer target. So target is 9. So this is a num, this is a which is an array, and this is a target 9, which will be the input given by the system. Now we have to return the indices, I mean index of two numbers such that they add up the target. So we have to return index of any two number whose target is this, which is the values given. For example, here this is an array, so your target is 9, so we can return 2 and 7th index, which is 0 and 1 as a answer. So we have exactly one solution, okay, and you can return answer in any order, like we can return 1 or 0, or we can return 0 or 1. It will not affect anything. So there are three examples here. So let's see. For example, nums. So what we will do is we will use two for loops. First for loop will run from 0th index to n minus 1, which is a size minus 1 index, and second for loop will run from I plus 1. For example, this is I, and the second for loop will run from I plus 1 to n index. Suppose this is I, then second for loop will run from 15 and until 15. This is how. Now for first for loop and second for loop, we will compare both the values in the for loop. If they add up to 9, then we will return both the indices I and j. So let's start the video. So first there is a nums, we have to run for loop. So for int I is equal to 0 and I is less than nums, which is an array, dot size. It will return the size of an array and minus 1. So we have to run till the year, so we are using minus 1 and I plus plus. Now the second for loop will run from I plus 1, just I told you, to the last index. So for loop int j is equal to I plus 1, j is less than nums dot size and j plus plus. Now this is the two for loops. Now we have to compare or to use the condition, we are going to use if statement. So if nums of I plus nums of j add up to target, then nums of I plus nums of j add up to target, then we have to return both the indices, I mean index. So I comma j. So what happens if there we could not find any value? So what we will return is we will return an empty bracket. So if we don't find any solution, so let's check if there is any error in the code. The code is working fine, as we can see all the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. Yeah, everything is fine. In the memory we have beat 77.18% of user, and runtime is 296 milliseconds, and this is a code. So this was the bootstrap method and the most easiest method of solving the first problem of a Leetcode. In the next video we are going to solve the second problem of a Leetcode. So stay tuned and thank you.